Okay. So thank you all for coming. It is the 7th of March. I'm going to host this comms meeting for TAG, and Claire is going to take the notes. Thank you all. I think we're all regular people, so there's nobody new that would like to introduce themselves, or if anyone wants to say hello. We do follow the code of conduct note, which are included in the notes if anyone wants to review. Okay, so we will start with open discussions. Here is good here. So we have KubeCon meetup, photos, and tag booths. How are we looking there?
So yeah, we've just been deciding actually earlier on about a KubeCon meetup. It was something that was discussed yesterday in the meeting. There's some suggestion of maybe trying to have a photo at the tag booth. So I want to add, like if we do manage to do that, try and think about that. But I'll be in KubeCon in person, so I can kind of see if we can do that. I think that's just more of a whoever's doing the schedule. I might add to the tag booth schedule information. But there is some, I'll have to go to the Slack to find it, but there is some discussion of where we're going to meet, probably in the lunch place. I think Leo suggested a time that we're currently discussing. But yeah, that should be good. Just be a case of, I guess, advertising that once we know to relevant people. Probably a Slack message. I guess I can do my next point as well, which is we also discussed wanting to put event information and the work that myself and Valeria have been doing to gather all of the different speaker things onto the website. So I suggested that we could do that. So I've put that as an action at the bottom.
Perfect. So we have the list of speakers. So there was 4 that hasn't been updated or anything. Do we know?
I think Christina might know more about this. I copied and pasted a link from the information from the green scraper. I haven't actually read to see what the differences were.
What should I know, Claire? Sorry, I'm in the car, so
no, it's okay. Just the green scraper has the most up-to-date information about the relevant talks at KubeCon.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, the only thing is that it currently misses the functionality to extract the links to those sessions, but it extracted the speakers and the session names, both for Open Source Summit and for KubeCon. So you just need to take a look at it, but you can just paste it. And then I think it's still easier to find the session link once we have the title, so we don't need to go through this gigantic agenda. So I think it's pretty good, so it should help, I hope.
Perfect. Sorry, the bar keeps blocking my browser. Sorry. So we're also discussing the blog update. How are we looking?
So it's shaping up well. So my one ask, I did take a quick pass, and all I could do was do it from the grammar perspective and the overall the structure. But I would like someone with more knowledge to take a look, like more knowledge about the green reviews group and technical details, to take a look at the draft, add your thoughts. I think we should be able to get it before KubeCon for sure. So the link is in the comments there, right there, like before. It's in the issue itself. After the comments, yeah, you see a draft there. In the main issue.
Sorry.
In the main issue, like you're right there. The pointer is right there. Like if you, I'll put the link in the agenda. It will make everyone's life easier. So, let me just share it in the agenda. Give me just 1 second. So that actually could use a couple of reviews and see if we could just add anything to it. We should be able to get it before KubeCon for sure. And please let me also know, like, if I have to be looking for, sorry about the color, it's just formatting issues. How do I format it? I'm struggling a lot today. Let me just format it. Paste without formatting should work. I'm really sorry. I'm just so clumsy today. Okay, there we go. There we go. We have it. So yeah, and let me know like if I should be looking for anything specific when I'm reviewing, or like I just want to take more responsibility on this role so that others can focus in other places. So let me know if I have to do anything.
Perfect. No, it looks good. We'll review it and get back to you. Hopefully by Tuesday we can have an update on that or have it reviewed.
Yeah, I'll take a look at it this week, tomorrow, or during the weekend,
Thank you.
and get it out.
So our next item is Cara stepping down as co-chair. We need to find a replacement. Any volunteers?
Right. So, so for this topic, so we always want like somebody who is already active or has like shown activity, maybe like in another tag or another community group, I don't know, in Kubernetes or something, to take on like these leadership roles. So, I mean, anybody here in this call would, I think, be suited to take this on if they would like. Yeah, I mean, at the end, always like this chair role. I think you know more or less the kind of like what comes with it. So hosting these meetings, kind of trying to get like contributors engaged, steering the comms efforts, things like this. So we have a couple of documents under governance, which describes this role a bit more. And we always like opt for 2 chairs because it's, I think, always good to have somebody else to fall on, sort of if somebody is taking vacation or is not like able to lead the efforts because of work or something else. But we don't need to rush it too much, I think, because we already have folks showing up and kind of supporting the working group. So it's not all on the chair's shoulders, but it would be good to find a replacement soon.
So have a think about it, and hopefully the next time we meet, if anyone wants to do it, we'll discuss it then. Just don't want to put anyone under pressure or on the spot. So just, I know I'm an impulsive person. I say yes before actually thinking about something. So just, if you have the time, it would be great. And like, I know it's a great learning experience.
Yeah. One more thing about the blog. So the one that we discussed before, did we talk with Emma, who is, I think, like primarily authoring the blog, about her like confidence that we will make it until KubeCon, or if there's like more support needed? Because I'm just looking over the blog and I think, I mean, there's already a bunch of like input and text, but there's also still a lot of work to do, I think. So
I'll follow up today. I will follow up with Emma. And I think Anthony is also contributing. So Anthony, sorry.
yeah.
Apologies. Yeah, I'll follow up with both of them to get their thoughts in their like based on the commitments and everything.
Otherwise, we can also find ways to support, maybe writing the blog or things like that. Right. And then I think we also talked about this like a couple of weeks ago about the role as blog lead, that it might be a little bit, it might be worthwhile to define the role a little bit more. Because I think right now there's like not much described what it actually means.
I think that's probably true for all of the smaller roles in the comms working group. When I was looking at it, when I was taking on events lead, I wasn't entirely sure what I've been doing. I've kind of been making it my own thing, but I think that would be handy if we maybe, now that we're a bit more established, have an idea of what those should really look like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I write down what I was saying.
No, because we need to put more emphasis on the blog and even just the website and publicizing everything as much as we can.
So I guess the first step would be just to open up an issue that we need to, for each of these roles, and then assign it to maybe the lead or the chair, like the way to define like the role a little bit more. What do you think?
Yeah, I'll take that here.
Nice.
Regarding Kara stepping down, Leo, I removed her the overview for the maintainer talk. I guess we're okay with that, right? She's stepped down now. Should I keep her?
Sorry, Christine, I struggled to hear you there. I don't know if it was me or was that everyone.
Oh, sorry. Do you hear me better now? Or?
Perfect.
Or
Yeah.
you need to scream in the car. Yes.
Sorry. I was wondering regarding Kara stepping down. I removed her from the overview. The lead team for the maintainer talk. You're okay with that, right? Or should I keep her?
But she said from immediate effect, basically, that she was stepping down.
Yeah, so she already stepped down, kind of, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, then.
Shall I also adjust the notes that have her noted as the chair of this working group at the top?
Yeah, so there's a couple of things also in GitHub and also in the people, like there's in the CNCF organization, there's another repository with people, and there's also like the teams, GitHub teams, where it also kind of gives you access to, for example, editing have edit rights to the repository and things like this. So we need to update a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I was asking Kara, but she didn't reply yet if she wants to step off right away or if that's, I don't know, in a couple of weeks. But if she already said so right away, then we can also get this process started.
No, she had mentioned in there the other day that it was of immediate effect and that she would be introducing her colleague.
Yeah.
Kind of step in.
Yeah.
As a member. Now she says she'll still be joining, but not in a chair role.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I can do the updates to the other repositories regarding the access. But if you like, Claire or anybody can also update the website. And I don't know, where do we have the notes in this document, for example? Yeah, that's I think it.
Perfect. I know I will create an issue. I probably should have done that by now. So I've been working on the slide deck for the booth. As we kind of discussed, it went with the KubeCon slide deck. Now this can be changed if need be. This is just a quick view of it. So we have the mission statement for the tag, just the talks that are on in KubeCon. I need to get more information on the green working group, needs to be added. I just threw in the working comms. I never actually put working comms up there. Sorry, I'm on. Just a quick I need to add more, but just wanted to get advice of people. So we had the meet up, and just this is a quick overview of what we did there, how to get involved, and just the home group. I'll add these into an issue and let everyone update it or add your feedback, or you can give it to me now. That's that. Hope we'll get that done by Tuesday. I would like to get it done earlier, but I'm on holidays after this call, so I won't do anything.
I think probably the first step would be to upload it to the drive so we all have access to the file. Not sure if it's already shared.
Yeah,
I can send you the link if you like.
that would be great. Thank you.
And then maybe you can also reach out to Antonio, because he's working with Christina on the maintainer talk, and he is from working group Green Reviews. So perhaps he can take the slides for working group Green Reviews. And I don't know if we can just recycle a couple of the maintainer talk slides. If they're like already like ready, then we can just copy them over maybe.
Well, I had pulled Marlowe's one from the talk last year, or for the North America one.
Ah.
I was recycling her ones, but I only had the work and comms section. I didn't have the green section. She didn't. So if we can get them as well, yeah, it'd be great. There's no point in reinventing the wheel.
Right. Sweet. So this is the link to the drive. And not sure if Christine already shared the maintainer talk slides. And I don't think so, right? But
No, not yet. I think the slides from Antonio are not done yet. He was planning to do them this week, so I can probably share the link to the slides anyway. But all the slides are not finished from us.
that's fine. All right.
Right.
Another thing I wanted to mention, it was great that we did it for KubeCon North America. Nikki did like the template with the KubeCon graphics and the name of the talk, or like the list of the talks that are happening on a specific day. It would really be nice if someone has the capacity to do that, because we could add that to like daily update on our social media posts. If no one has the capacity to do it, I could probably do it at some point, but if someone has the capacity, it would be awesome.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Let me see if I can find the link. Do you know if Nikki shared the template in our drive?
No, she only shared the finished pictures, but I can ask her if she has a template.
Yeah.
Great.
I found the link. Send a message in the comms channel.
So we have a few ARs, so we just need to be conscious of, especially for people that are traveling, to get maybe Thursday kind of being a cutoff point as well for what we can get done.
Yeah. But I think we are looking good, right? I mean, there's no...
Oh, we're looking great. Like I know for the NA, we were doing the website the day it was on.
We organized the event to meet up on Friday, and I think I took the plane the day after, so
Yeah,
it's
no,
very, very short
We're
notice. I think.
getting better. That's always good. All right, I think we're good. Any other business or any other topics? Okay. Stop sharing. We have a few hours to follow up on, and if anyone needs a hand or has help, just give someone a shout. We can try and do our best.
All right, let me stop the recording.